Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest video tutorial on how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. First of all, I'm going to delete friend from my Snapchat and then search for it back. And you can see that I'm already on Snapchat for you guys to show how it's done. So first of all, go to your account, tap here on the top corner, then scroll down, tap on my friends. I only have one friend, so I just tap on the profile, tap on more, tap on remove friend, tap on remove again. So my friend is deleted from my Snapchat. Go back to add her again, add friends. So now what you need to do is remember her Snapchat name and type in here, or if she is already saved on your contact list, you just can scroll down and find her. I'm just gonna type in her Snapchat name. Okay, I found her. Now tap on it, and now she's back on my Snapchat. Alright guys, that was how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give a like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.